Just look at what Fulani is doing in my village. Just look at, this is Ezeago. This is somebody's farm. This is cassava and akidi farm. Look at what Fulani is doing. Carrying their cow to our farm. Later along, they will talk that there is that food is scarce. They are running. I want you people to see this. This is Ezeago, somewhere in Olo. Fulani herdsmen, they brought cow in our town, eating our cassava, eating our everything. They don't want us to eat in this town. They don't want anything like food in Igbo land. That is why they are doing all this thing. This is cassava. This is cassava farm, and this is akidi. Can you people see that? This Nigeria, this is now in Olo. This is life now. Now before Kalawa, yes man, they are in our farm eating. If you talk, they will come and kill you overnight. Thank you, my brothers and sisters.